Welcome to the Empire of Dirt. I'm gonna try and plastic weld or fix some cracks in a Mercedes bumper, which has a lot of plastic pieces, unlike most cars. Just move all this out of the way. To reveal the outer shell, looking at it from the inside. It's got a couple of recent cracks from damage. One at the bottom, which I've still got to close up. One at the top, the gap's closed. I've softened and adjusted the plastic using a heat gun. Here's an old crack, old damage, which was repaired with fiberglass, which didn't hold. I'm going to try and plastic weld this using this handy dandy, well, the spelling tells you something about the country of origin. It's good for lots of tasks, which I'm not quite sure what all those tasks are. But anyway, the unit looks alright. Just adjust it a bit. There's the gun. And these are hot staples. There's a few different shapes, but I'm going to use, where are they? Not those ones. I think it's these ones. So these are zigzag shaped. Goes in like that. Goes in like that. Focus you. So basically when I pull the trigger on the gun, that heats up and will melt into the plastic. Fortunately, it does have an Aussie plug on it. There's power. Right, first attempt using. I hope that's not a sign. Okay, helps if I turn the power on. Got an LED. It should get hot. Oh yeah. Should send that glow. So apparently the idea of these is just to hold it into the plastic, not push hard, just basically let the weight of the gun push it in. Right, I'll set up this camera for a good look. Zoom in a bit. Holding it closed. Let's see if I can. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I'm going to put one. Yeah, I'm going to put one at the start here. Hold down the trigger. Plastic softens a bit. One video I watched suggested you give them a little bit of a twist while it's still soft to help lock them in. That went alright. These staples are stainless steel. Let's do a few more. Stainless steel so they don't rust. They're not, stainless steel is not a grey electrical conductor, so it'll heat up well with a bit of voltage. Let's try another one. See if I can get the camera at an angle so you can see that better. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit more. Alright, pull the trigger. Melts in. Still hot, give it a little twist, let go. Whoop, I overcooked it. Just let it sit there for a minute, it's still soft. Actually, that worked. Probably made a mess on the other side though. Not that it matters in this particular crack. Plus where it is on the bottom of the bumper, it isn't going to show up, be visible unless you stick your head right under there. Try another one. Feels like these staples soften a bit as they get hot as well. Helps if I don't drop them while putting them in. Where the hell is that going? I can't even see where I am. There we go. Staples are a little bit wider, so I'm going to squeeze it a bit. I don't think these probes are solid copper, I think they're just copper plated. But that's fine for what I'm doing. Alright, here we go. Yeah, up here. Not too hot. Give it a little twist. Wait for it to cool. That worked well, that one. How much of a mess did I make underneath? Well, this was already pretty badly damaged underneath. Let's have a look. You can definitely see I've gone too far. But, yeah, I've gone too far through the plastic, but it's actually, let me zoom out a bit, no, and the other way. It's actually had a lot of damage underneath already. If I wanted to get this repaired properly, I could get someone to bog it and spray paint it, but the fact is, it's already a little bit of give there, but it's already a lot stronger than it was. So that's the idea. I'll just fill in the rest of the gap with staples just to give it maximum strength, and that's it.